time of the year again where we get to get a little bit glammed up, basically. And this look for today I'm going to be doing is for New Year's Eve. And I hope you guys are going to stick around until the end. I'm trying to feel where I can, and where it's not necessary, combing them upward so they can look as natural as possible. So now it's time to clean up the brows. And basically, I like to clean up my brows and prime my eyelids at the same time, because obviously I'm gonna be using the same product. Do my eyelids with the crayon concealer, because you can never go wrong with this concealer. It doesn't have like oils in it. I have never ever experienced any problem using crayon concealers. And my eyeshadows don't even move. My eyeshadows don't go nowhere. It's gonna last me pretty much the whole day. Like, I don't know what formula they use for this, but damn it, it works. It works. To just clean up above as well. I've got a little bit of ingrown eyebrows, so just gonna help cover them up with that concealer all over. Just gonna blend that all over. Today we'll be using this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start off with that brown all over the eyelid, all over, but not getting to the brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that champagne, a little bit of champagne right there. It's gonna concentrate it mainly on the lower part of the eyelid space. And of course, the glitter that I'm using today is the Galaxy glitter, eye glitter basically, and I bought this from my local beauty supply store. So if you find anything similar that's cosmetic related, anything to do with your eyes, go ahead and use that. Any other glitter, like your stationery glitter or home craft glitter, do not use it on your eyes because it's not meant to be there anyway. So I'm feeling like going with a little bit of a sparkly, choosing with the silver one right here. Can use your glitter glue, cosmetic glitter glue. Okay, you can go ahead and apply that before applying the glitter so it can adhere. So I'm gonna apply this right where we placed our champagne shade. Just like that. And then of course, going back into the same palette, I'm gonna go in with the black eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna concentrate this on the outer corner ever so slightly, just to smoke it out basically. I like working with darker shades like a little at a time, just so I can have much more control of how I want the application to go. So now that I've got those eyeshadows packed, I'm gonna take the brush and start blending it out so it can look a bit more even. All right, and as usual, I'm going in with the same LA Girl eyeliner in very black, just a little bit of a wing, not too much. And of course, my cat eye is a must-have. Don't worry if you mess up a little bit with the liner, there's ways to clean that up. which I am sure that I have showed you guys in one of my videos. Next, I'm gonna pop in some lashes. So I've already primed my face, so I'm just gonna jump into the foundation. And of course, before I do that, I like taking my little water bottle and spritzing my sponge right there. Just make it a little bit damp. The foundation we're using today is by Makeup by Mario foundation, and of course this one is in a shade 18W. Put that onto my little spongy, and I'm gonna spread it all over the face. I like this foundation because it's a little bit dewy, so in winter time it's usually my skin gets a little bit dry, so this makes it a little bit dewy, so works perfectly. So I'm just pressing it. And let's not forget our neck area. And of course, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take some concealer, and I'm going in with the MAC concealer right here, W40 concealer by MAC, and this is where we get to clean up our little eyeliner, basically make it look a little bit more pointy and neater. First, I'm gonna be doing it on the end as well, and swipe it that way, just like that. Let the center of your nose, if you wish to, and a little bit on my cupid's bow, taking the very same sponge I was using for foundation, and I'm just gonna press that concealer in. And blend it out at the same time. Okay. Then next, I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Powder in the shade called Banana Yellow. I'm just gonna set that concealer. And then just a mini contour, just gonna press it right underneath my cheeks. Meanwhile, while that powder is setting, we're gonna go ahead and take a blush, and of course the blush that I'm using is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Now it's time to remove that excess powder. And then it's time for highlighter. And the highlighter we are going with today is Stila Heaven's Hue Highlighter Transcendence, yes. And this is how it looks. It's gonna apply that. Oh wow, see that? Bam, it just hits you in the face. Wow. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. It's too much. I'm just applying it right on top of that blush. And of course, the Cupid's bow. Just gonna line my lips with that black gel liner. And this is gonna give us that ombre look that we are going for, alright? And the lipstick we're going in today is the Essence Color Boost liquid lips. Yes, Vanillicious, yeah. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this New Year's Eve makeup look, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time, bye.